So we're now in our video in complex fractions. This one is the one I haven't finished in the exercises in the algebraic fraction. So let's finish it here since the space there cannot cannot allow us to finish the problem. So we have this complex fraction. We'll be simplifying it here in this video. So we have let me read it. X plus y over x minus y. This fraction minus x minus y over x plus y all over 1 plus x minus y over x plus y. So let's simplify this in a very step-by-step manner. So let's take care first of the numerator, shall we? So that we won't get lost. So let's have first for the numerator. Okay, so numerator here. So for our numerator, again, the important part is to find the LCD, so the least common denominator. Least common denominator. So what's the LCD here? So we can see that here we can have x minus y and x plus y as our denominators. So here we need to make sure that the denominators are the same. That is, make sure that the fractions are similar in order for us to combine them or to make them one. So let's have the LCD. What's the LCD of these numbers? So um, clearly the LCD for the numerator is x minus y times x plus y. X plus y. Okay? So that's our LCD for our numerator. Why is it that we cannot have x minus y and x plus y to be together? I mean, as a 1, maybe you're thinking that they're one number, but they're not actually one number. For example, if x is 2 and y is 1, so 2 minus 1 is different from 2 plus 1. Okay, so they're different numbers. So their LCD is just this, simple this. And since we're taking care of the numerator, let's not talk about the denominator yet. So if this is our LCD, we'll put the whole numerator in a single fraction bar, copying this same denominator that we have here, x plus y, and then we will be applying it in both numerators, which is here and here. Okay, so in this part, in the first fraction, so we have x plus y over x minus y. We need to insert 1 x plus y over here, so meaning we need to also install 1 x plus y in the numerator. Okay, it will look like this. X plus y, okay, times x plus y. Okay, copy the minus sign or the whatever operation which is shown in here. And also, since we have x minus y over x plus y, we will insert 1 x minus y since it's lacking that number here in the numerator. So what we have is x minus y times x minus y. Okay, so that's our first part of our fraction. Okay, next up is maybe we can hold it there before we can even do the simplification. Maybe we can cancel out some things when we will be talking about in our denominator. So for our denominator, what we will have for the denominator is that we're going to know the LCDs also. So the least common denominator. So since here we only have a whole number which is easily 1 and we have a denominator here, so the LCD will be simply the denominator itself. So x plus y. Okay. Now since it's LCD, we need to install the LCD here. That's going to give us x plus y over x plus y, which will be 1 after that. Let me put it here. So this is our denominator then. What we have is x plus y, okay, and then this will be x plus y also. X plus y over x plus y will give us 1. And then we'll copy the plus sign. And then we'll have this x minus y. So from here, as you can see, we can simplify things a bit, canceling up these y's here will make the job easier since we have plus y minus y. So it's like saying 1 minus 1, so that's gonna give us 1. and eventually will lead us to this number. We can combine the x's clearly. So x plus x is going to give us 2x. Okay, 2x. So x plus x is going to give us 2x. Okay, this is going to give us 2x. In the denominator, since it we cannot do anything with the denominator there, as you can see, therefore it will be left as what it is. So that's going to be x plus y. So again, x plus y. Okay, so this is our denominator, simplified version. This is our numerator. We didn't do anything with it yet. So let's combine them in a single fraction right now. Okay, so this is again the numerator. This is your denominator. Okay, so therefore, numerator comes first. So what we have is x plus y times x plus y minus x minus y times x minus y. Okay, all over, okay, x minus y times x plus y. Okay, okay, and then for the denominator, remember when we are dividing fractions, okay, we can proceed to multiplication provided we will just take the reciprocal of this denominator. So the reciprocal of this denominator is just simply flip them. So that's going to be x plus y divided by 2x. So let's get the reciprocal. So that's going to give us x plus y over 2x. Let me check if that's correct. X plus y over 2x. Okay, yeah, that's simply correct. Okay, and then what we can do is we can cancel things up. What can we cancel? We can cancel this, x plus y, and then x plus y over here. Okay, and that's what we can cancel for now. Um, okay, let's move on. Let's have the next line. Okay, so for the next line, let's carry on with this steps. So the next line, what we have is let's just multiply then here to here. I think in my previous video, this is what we ended up with. X plus y times x plus y minus x minus y times x minus y. Okay, this is an x. Sorry about that. Okay, so all over 2x x minus y. Now, let's get further and try to do the FOIL method in each of these terms here. So if we do that, hopefully that will simplify things a little bit. So we'll do the FOIL method here. Okay, first, so again, multiplying binomials, we do that, right? So first to first, that's x squared. O first to outer, that's x times y, that's xy. Y times x is also yx or xy. And we have y times y is y squared plus y squared. Okay, minus. Let's copy the minus sign here. So x times x is x squared. X times minus y is minus xy. Minus y times x is also minus yx, or by commutativity, that's minus xy still. And then we have minus y times minus y, that's going to give us positive y squared. Okay? Now, next, we will be distributing this minus sign to all of these values over here. So, or look, we forgot to copy the denominator, 2x times x minus y. Okay, copy the, or rather, yeah, we will distribute this minus sign to all of the terms inside the parentheses. So we have, there's nothing much more we can do with the first part. So let's just copy it off. So x squared, or unless, I mean, yes, there is. So we can just combine them. This becomes 2xy, right? Plus y squared. Minus x squared This becomes negative. We have minus x minus x rather minus xy minus xy. That's going to give us minus 2xy, minus 2xy. But since because of the minus sign, this becomes positive 2xy. And then we will be distributing this minus sign to the y squared. That's going to give us minus y squared. Okay? And copy the denominator down below. 2x times x minus y. Okay, so let's move on. We can cancel things up in this part of the solution. That is, we can cancel up x squared minus x squared. That's going to give us 0. Um, 2xy plus 2xy is going to give us 4xy. Y squared minus y squared is going to give us 0. So that will eventually lead to give us what? That will give us 2xy plus 2xy is going to give us 4xy over 2x times x minus y. Yeah, it's much shorter right now. Okay, pretty much better than the one before. As you can see, we can cancel up the xy here. We cancel up this xy. And also we cancel this 4x, but this 4 will just become 2. So therefore, our final answer, is this our final answer? Our final answer is, our final answer is 2y all over x minus y. Okay, so that's our final answer. A little bit off to our key answer, our solution key there, as you can see if you have your copy. But that's our answer, simplified form. 2y minus all over, rather, 2y all over x minus y. So we took that from this problem. We took that from this problem here, over here. Okay, so x plus y over x minus y minus x minus y over x plus y all over 1 plus x minus y over x plus y. So our answer is 2y all over x minus y. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you you will hit like and subscribe. If there are some errors, kindly copy them on the comments below. And thank you very much for watching. Okay, see you.